Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today I got more freebies for you. Now listen, we're trying to get you ready for the weekend, people. Make sure you let everybody know that here on Huck's World, we got freebies. All right, with that being said, this watch face and the next one coming after it is free for the taking in the Good Manager store. Download right after the video, people. Do not miss out. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Now, the name of the watch face is called GRSOB. Very nice looking watch face, very nice design, and always on mode. It's going to be dimmed down in the black mode, which looks totally awesome. Has a touch of elegance to it. Looks really nice in AOD. Now, when the watch face is on, I do like the choice of colors, design. They also have this one in red, orange. I'm not sure if they have it in green or not, but listen, go to the Gear Manager store, check this out for yourself. All right, with that being said, this is what you get. You get your date and your day. You also get the name of the watch face, and you also get your step info down at the bottom, and it is not interactive. You get 1, 2, 3 on the side. So I like the unique design. I'm gonna give this developer a thumbs up and a half. I thought he did a really good job on this. I like the theme of the background. Gives it some character. It looks really nice, and I thought for free, the guy got down. He did a great job. If he made this interactive, he'd have got 2 thumbs up. All right, you all, that's watch face number 1. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. This one is called Yellow BPM Watch. Nice watch face. I just like the overall design. Simple but effective. Now in the always on mode, you're going to get the same exact look. It's just going to be dimmed down a little bit. But when the watch face is on, again, the layout, the simpleness of this watch face still looks awesome. Of course, you're going to get your heart rate at the top. You're going to get your digital time down at the bottom, along with the day and your date. And you're also going to get your battery percentage. Now, the only part of this that's interactive is the heart rate. So you double tap there and it'll bring up your heart rate status, and you can just go in, check out your status, find out what you've done for the week and if you're good or not, right? With that being said, I like this. I hope you all enjoyed it. This one's also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Take advantage of it. Go download it. Put it in your lineup for a rainy day and or for the weekend. And with that, people, hit the like button on the way out. Share the videos with other people. Bring people to Huck's World. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.